Bonjour, I'm Bonki Bilel, a French graphic designer and lettering artist. This video is a preview from the course I created to master Procreate called the Procreate Guide, and I will talk more about it at the end of this video. Bonjour, welcome to the first lesson of the Procreate Guide. I will assume this is your first time using Procreate, although I'm sure it is not, but in this way we will be able to start from scratch. So let's tap the Procreate app. You arrive on the main menu, which is called the Gallery. This is where you will find all your artworks, and by default, there are already 4 example artworks. In this lesson, I will show you how to set up your first canvas to create your own artworks. To create a new canvas, you have 2 options. You use a template or you create a custom canvas. Tap the plus button at the top right of your screen. Now, on the right side, you can see all of your templates. Tap one of them, and the canvas opens automatically. To go back to your gallery, tap Gallery at the top left of your screen. You can rearrange your templates by a long press on the template, then drag it up or down. Except for the first one, which is a template with the size of your screen. And finally, by swapping to the left, you can edit or delete a template. If you want to create your first custom canvas, tap the button next to New Canvas. You are now on the menu to create your custom canvas. The first option you can adjust is the dimension of the canvas. And you can change the unit at the bottom of your screen. Let's keep it to pixels. You can create a canvas as big as you want. It depends on your iPad model and the number of layers available. It's better to have many layers available, especially if you are going to do animations, but it is also great to have a big size canvas if you want a high definition artwork. So you have to find the right balance depending on your goal. For example, let's say you want to create an Instagram post template. You can change the name of your template to Instagram post just at the top of your screen. You change the width and the height to 1080 by 1350 and you put 300 dpi. For color profile, it depends if your artwork is for printing or for digital purposes. Generally, CMYK is for print and RGB is for artwork created to be seen on screens. To quote the Procreate handbook, the default profiles should suit the needs of most artists. So if you want to print your artwork, put generic CMYK profile, and for digital paintings, as for your Instagram post template, you put display P3. You can change the time-lapse settings, but I will explain to you later in the course. Finally, with canvas properties, you can change the background color and choose to hide it or not. I advise you to keep those settings by default because you can change them easily in your canvas later. And voila! Tap the yellow button at the top right of your screen, and now you have a template for future posts on Instagram already prepared. Voila! I hope you have found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Procreate, I have created a complete course called The Procreate Guide to Master this software with a private forum where I answer all your questions. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Otherwise, you can still look at selected beginner lessons from the Procreate Guide thanks to the playlist on the right. Until the next one, bonsoir!